Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, May 19th, 2023. Let's take a look what's going on the Forex economic calendar today. Not too many very important data are scheduled for release on Friday. Nevertheless, we still have core retail sales from Canada scheduled for release 2:30. The previous reading was minus 0.7 and now the forecast is even deeper, minus 0.8%. So it will be interesting to see what are the core retail sales in Canada. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will give a speech at 5 o'clock, and then at 9 o'clock ECB President Lagarde, Christine Lagarde, will give a speech as well. So as you can see, some speeches, some data from Canada, and that's it for Friday, May 19th on the Forex economic calendar. Let's now switch to the technical part, and the first one we are going to talk about is of course the euro dollar. The euro dollar for our chart shows you guys the big slide to the downside. Let me just remind you that we are still having this let's say falling wedge pattern intact. So we've been talking about it for quite some time, and finally we got the breakout level. So this is how it looks like. There you go. And since then, of course, we broke to the downside. We can even measure this movement of the recent range of this movement, of course, of the recent decline below the 150 periods moving average on the 4-hour chart. So the recent decline was, as you can see, minus 2.24% since the breakout of the falling wedge. And if we take into the account the highs, okay, then the decline is almost 3%. So that's the situation on a 4-hour chart for the of the euro dollar. Down movement, clear down movement, looks rather impulsive. Okay, so please remember about this as well. What do we have here is a break, is a cross. 150 periods moving averages, they are crossing. So right now, of course, the market is trading below this two moving averages. Technical support located at 1.0789 had been violated. Now it will act as a technical resistance, of course, and if the market will extend the movement to the downside, the next target is seen at the level of 1.0714. Please notice the fact that we have hit the extremely oversold market conditions again, but there is no divergence. There is no divergence yet, so we should expect some sort of the pullback. However, that might be not enough for bears, and then after the pullback is completed, they might push the prices even lower. So euro dollar short-term outlook is bearish. Let's find out what's going on British pound. The situation on the British pound is very similar to the euro dollar. However, we are keep bouncing from the extremely oversold market conditions, and then we go towards the level of 50, which is of course the neutral level on the RSI. The same structure can be seen here on the chart. We have a bounce from the extremely oversold conditions, then we go to the neutral level, then we have another low, then we have a bounce, then we have another low. So the market situation on the 4-hour chart is rather bearish. It's the market is still controlled by the bears, and what they want to test the 1.2443, and then if this level will be acting as a technical resistance is rejected, then we should go lower and hit the lows of the from the 10th of the April, located at 1.2343, 1.2353. So 10 pip, very nice demand zone here. That might be enough for the bears, that might not be enough for the bears. Please notice the fact that again here we have the bearish cross, 50 periods moving average crossing the 100 periods moving average. That's a bearish indication, and the market might extend the drop towards the technical support seen at this zone. In the extreme case of some sort of the very aggressive sell-off, the next target for bears is 1.2273. The decline here looks like looks very much bullish. For now, the only one suggestion for the market participants is the possibility of the market to perform some kind of a rising wedge pattern. So this might be something like this on the pound. There you go. That's the pattern. So of course the outlook is bearish, but if we go lower towards the technical support, then the breakout to the upside might happen. That's the technical scenario and technical situation for the British pound. Let's find out what else do we have here. Bitcoin. So we are talking about the crypto right now, because this recent movement on the crypto markets is very interesting. Momentum wise, Bitcoin is bouncing up and down around the level of 50, which is clearly seen on the chart, since this very nice pin bar made during the down move. We got the retracement towards 61% of the last wave down, then it was rejected, and now the situation is very clear. If in the terms of the technical support, the technical support is located at 26,551, and the market is right now trying to bounce from this level. The market is trading in between the 50 and 100 periods moving averages. The most important technical resistance is located at 27,495 and 27,667. Only a sustained breakout above this level would give the bulls some kind of an advantage and a possible extension towards the next target seen at 28,325. The key midterm technical resistance is still located at the level of $30,000. So without a sustained breakout above this level, we cannot say that this down movement, down wave, downtrend on the Bitcoin had been terminated. And last but not least, let's talk a little bit about the Ethereum, the other very important cryptocurrency. As you can see, we also have the bounce from the extremely oversold market conditions towards the levels of 1,846, just in between the 50 and 100 periods moving average. And since then, the market of the Ethereum is moving slowly in a horizontal trend. However, during the last 12 hours, the new local low was made at 1,771. So far, this market looks very stable, looks very slow for the in the currency, cryptocurrency world. Momentum is again bouncing towards the level of 50, 55, and then going down, bouncing and going down. So it looks like every attempt to rally is being used by the bears to open more short positions and sell euro. No rally is possible without breaking the level of 1,846. This is where the 100 periods moving average is as well. And then, of course, in that situation, in the situation of the breakout higher, the next target would be at 1,888. Technical support, well, right now is located at 1,785. Intraday technical support is located at 1,771, and the other very important support, the low of May, is located at 1,739. possible inverted hammer was made on a 4-hour chart. Nevertheless, this candlestick formation needs confirmation in order to be used by bulls for another rally to the upside. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next week. So take care and bye bye.